I'm Monique, but my friends call me Mon. I'm here to share a bit of wisdom about the world of money and banking with you. Super fun, right? Now, finances can get a bad rap. Can seem kind of complicated and daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you get your head around a few core concepts. And that's what I'm here to help with. But I couldn't possibly know everything without my little friend IQ here, who has all the answers to all my questions all the time.
Always happy to help.
Anyway, I'll spare you my rambling and get straight into it. I want to talk to you about bank accounts. So, there are two basic types of accounts. You've got your transaction account that you get wages paid into, you can transfer money for spending, and also set up direct debits. Wait, what exactly are direct debits again, IQ?
They're automatic payments you can set up to come out of your account for things like bills.
Right. So when the unfortunate time comes where I end up having to fork out for Spotify and stuff like that, that'd be a direct debit?
Correct.
Got it. Then you've got your savings account, where you keep the bulk of your money earning interest and safely stashed away from temptation, where you can watch it grow. So those are your two key kinds of accounts, transaction and saving. Now, what features should you be looking for when setting up a bank account? There's a few things to check for. If it's a savings account, does the account pay interest? Interest is a percentage that the bank will actually pay you for you to keep your money in that account with them. The higher, the better, obviously.
A good financial rule of thumb is to make your money make you money by saving as much as you can to earn as much interest as you can.
Also, are there transaction or account fees? You want to make sure you're not getting stung for anything you weren't aware of, so choose a no-fee account. Are there any perks, like getting bonus interest for regular deposits? Is there Apple Pay? Things like that. You should ask yourself this. What's the purpose of this type of account? Like, what specifically am I going to use it for? And what features are important to me? And then go from there.
Another financial rule of thumb is to make sure you shop around and check out different banks and accounts to find one that's right for you. You can use a comparison site to help with this.
Something else that's pretty crucial when choosing a bank account is the banking app. Honestly, a good app will make the world of difference, so you can easily monitor your accounts, manage your money, and check in on your saving and spending habits. I find that's where I do most of my banking, so the app has to be solid. Now, a super quick recap. The two key types of accounts are transaction accounts for everyday spending and savings accounts for exactly what they sound like, saving money and earning interest. So yeah, that's the rundown on the basics of bank accounts. Hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you soon. To find out more, go to financialbasics.org.au. Also, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to see more. See ya!